In a small village, there were two boys who found an old broken radio behind the school building. It was dusty, cracked, and didn't play any sound, but it had buttons, wires, and mystery. The first boy said, "Let's try to fix it. Maybe we can learn how it works." The second boy shook his head. "It's useless. We don't even have tools. We'll probably break it more." So the first boy carried the radio home. Each day after school, he cleaned it, opened it up, fiddled with wires, and watched tutorials on his teacher's old phone. He failed, then failed again, but he kept learning. The second boy? He just watched. Days turned into weeks. One morning, the first boy brought the radio to school. He placed it on a desk, turned the dial, and music played. Everyone gathered around. Even the headmaster smiled. The second boy looked on and whispered to himself, "I could have done that too," but he hadn't. From this story, we can learn that discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. The smallest decision to rise, to try, to stretch, can shape the course of your entire life. Don't die a buried sea. Most people wait for perfect tools, perfect timing, or perfect confidence. But progress comes to those who begin, even with nothing but curiosity.